Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. A few weeks ago, we did a 50K Quantech challenge, and today we are here with a $100,000 account. So you know what that means, right? Yeah, we're aiming big this time. Alright, so as you can see, our robot is active. It's taking a lot of trades. Right now it's at 1,790 and it is 9:30 a.m. We do actually have economic news at 10 a.m. We have the consumer confidence report coming out, and we also have JOLTS coming out, which are very big news events. This is the last week of January, so you can always expect a lot of news events. Also, we have NFP on Friday, which is also going to be a very big event. Everybody's looking forward to that. So, yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch and see what's happening in the markets right now. We are trading US 30, and US 30 can be very volatile, so it's ideal that we use this asset to pass the challenges for our customers. I remember last year, December, I think it was Boxing Day or the 23rd or 24th. It took me actually 3 days or 4 days to pass a 25K challenge because there's usually not a lot of volatility during Christmas, all right? However, when the markets reopened in January, it was much easier. I was able to pass a 50K challenge for a customer, and right now I'm doing a $100,000 challenge for myself so that I can have a $100,000 account to trade with. So I'm just going to let you guys just take a look and see what's happening while we're trading. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are basically at the 1% mark. We're almost at $1,000 profit, and that's 1% of the account. And so I'm just going to take a short break right now and then come back to our trading. Okay, guys, so here we are with our trading again. So we just had the JOLTS job opening and the consumer confidence, and as a result, we're almost at 2% gain right now on the account. So you can see during this volatile news, we were actually very active with our trading. The robot opened multiple buys and sells, and as you can see, the losses were very, very small, but the winners were extremely big. Very big winners, $500. But all the losses so far, as you can see, were $2. So $2 losses, $500 profits. Yeah. So we just have to wait until all the trades have been taken. And hopefully we can pass this challenge today. Hopefully. Let's see. All right, guys. So today is Wednesday, January 31st. It's the last day of January. It's now 7:30 a.m. So yesterday we started this 100K challenge on Quantech. However, we didn't really have enough market volatility to pass the challenge yesterday. We ended yesterday at $102,000. So we're up 2%. However, now we started this morning, there's significantly more volatility. And as you can see, we're at $106,000, so 6%. And keep in mind that we need another $4,000 to pass this challenge because the target is $110,000. All right, so I'm just going to let you guys watch and see this play out. All right, guys, so far we're at $108,000. So we're at 8%. We only need another 2,000 to successfully pass this challenge. All right, so going on so far, so good. This morning we had some news events that happened, but nothing significant that really moved the market that much. Later this afternoon, we have FOMC statements, and that is expected to move the market the most this afternoon. So we're just looking forward to all of that. But I think this challenge should be completed within the next 30 minutes to an hour. All right, guys, as you can see, we are at $109,000. We only need about $900 and this challenge will be completed. Quantec is a very reputable HFT prop firm and many of our clients have gotten their payouts. Everything is working very smoothly with them. So that is one of the reasons why I continue to make videos about Quantec. So this is my $100,000 challenge that I'm about to pass, and maybe next month I'll be doing the $200,000 challenge. All right, guys, we are $94 away from passing the challenge. Let's just see what happens. $97 to go. And I think we've done it. We have passed the 100K Quantec challenge. So this is my personal account, so I have to congratulate myself. But yeah, guys, we are open for business. So we will happily pass your 100,000 or 50,000 Quantec challenges. The size doesn't really matter. We are definitely more than happy to pass your challenges for you. All right, so remember to click the link in the description to this video, and you'll be able to enter our Telegram group where we'll have more information on how to pay for our service. So please be reminded that it is the same fee to do all challenges, so it doesn't matter the size of the account. All right, guys, and here's the certificate that we just got, 100K. And they've also already sent me my login details. Stay tuned for more and happy trading.